Hello and welcome to today's video on the amazing health benefits of garlic. Garlic is a popular ingredient in many cuisines around the world, but did you know that it has numerous health benefits as well? Let's dive in. The amazing health benefits of eating garlic. Wards off cough and cold. Raw garlic has the potential to ward off cough and cold infections. Eating 2 crushed garlic cloves on an empty stomach has the maximum benefit. For kids and babies, hanging garlic cloves in a thread around their necks is supposed to relieve congestion symptoms. Good for cardiac health. Allicin, a compound found in garlic, stops the oxidizing of LDL, bad cholesterol. This reduces cholesterol levels and improves heart health. Regular consumption of garlic reduces the incidence of blood clots and thus helps prevent thromboembolism. Garlic also lowers blood pressure, so is good for patients with hypertension. Improves brain functioning. Garlic promotes brain health because of its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It is effective against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. Improves digestion. Digestive problems improve with the inclusion of raw garlic in the diet. It benefits the intestines and reduces inflammation. Eating raw garlic helps to clear out intestinal worms. The good thing is that it destroys the bad bacteria and protects the good bacteria in the gut. Balances blood sugar. Those who suffer from diabetes observe their blood sugar levels regulating the consumption of raw garlic. Boosts immunity. Garlic protects against free radicals and prevents damage to the DNA. Zinc in garlic promotes immunity. Vitamin C helps to fight off infections. Very beneficial against eye and ear infections as it has antimicrobial properties. Improves skin health. Garlic helps prevent acne and lightens acne scars. Sores, psoriasis, rashes, and blisters can all benefit from the application of garlic juice. It also protects against UV rays and therefore prevents aging. Prevents cancer and peptic ulcer. A high amount of antioxidants. Garlic protects the body against lung, prostate, bladder, stomach, liver, and colon cancer. The antibacterial action of garlic prevents peptic ulcers as it eliminates the contagion from the gut. Good for weight loss. Garlic reduces the expression of genes responsible for the formation of adipose cells which store fat. It also increases thermogenesis in the body and leads to the burning of more fat and the lowering of LDL, bad cholesterol. Apart from the fact that it is good for weight loss, garlic is highly nutritional. In fact, 1 clove of raw garlic, which is around 3 grams, contains manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, fiber, amounts of calcium, copper, potassium, iron, etc. Improve athletic performance. Garlic is considered one of the best performance-enhancing substances. In olden times, the item was used to treat fatigue and improve the work capacity of laborers. Studies on rodents suggest consuming garlic helps in improving exercise performance. People who had heart disease consumed garlic for 6 weeks, and this resulted in a 12% reduction in their heart rate and better exercise capacity. Fights UTI and improves renal health. Fresh garlic juice has the potential to reduce the growth of bacteria that cause urinary tract infection, UTI. It also helps prevent kidney infections. Garlic reduces infections on wounds, promotes hair growth, bone health, and liver health. Most of the home remedies are effective only if garlic is consumed raw. Reduces exercise fatigue. According to studies from Japan, raw garlic when aged in a mixture of water and alcohol may have significant effects on exercise endurance. Human studies have also been conducted that have shown that garlic can indeed improve the symptoms of exercise fatigue. Reduces blood toxicity. For people who are susceptible to lead poisoning due to occupational hazards, garlic may be the best organic solution. Studies conducted in 2012 have revealed that garlic is in fact safer and better at reducing lead poisoning of the blood than D-penicillamine, which is the common drug used to treat the same. Overcome estrogen deficiency. The period of menopause for older women has often been associated with a lack of the female hormone known as estrogen due to irregular production of a protein known as a cytokine. Consumption of garlic has been seen to regulate this to some extent and therefore may be effective in overcoming estrogen deficiency after menopause. Reduce effects or onset of osteoarthritis. Consuming garlic in your regular diet can also help to prevent or reduce the onset of osteoarthritis. Research has shown that garlic contains a compound known as diallyl disulfide, which helps to maintain bone density and therefore can potentially delay the onset of bone-related ailments like osteoarthritis. Prevent heart blockages. Garlic is also believed to help reduce the stickiness of the platelets in your blood. These platelets are responsible for the clotting of blood. Consuming a healthy dose of garlic can help reduce the excessive clotting effect of platelets on the blood. Therefore, it may help prevent unnecessary blood clots inside arteries that may reach up to your heart, causing a heart attack. So there you have many health benefits of garlic. Whether you eat it raw, cooked, or in supplement form, garlic is a great addition to any diet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.